Good morning guys, tara luto tayo ng Filipino simple breakfast. Ayan, corn beef. Ayan, nagprito na ako ng potato, tapos isinunod ko na rin yung onions, kinaramalize ko yung onions. Tapos isinunod ko na rin yung corn beef. Tapos nilagyan ko ng black pepper at saka itlog. Mahirap mag voice over guys. So thank you for watching. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng black pepper, saka sunod ko na yung itlog. Hayaan yung reduce yung yung juice ng corn beef at saka maluto yung itlog. Tapos ayan, ginawa ko yung sandwich. Ayan na guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.